Hello friends. I'm here at Juju Playground to come and play. It's a very big playground with snacks and toys that you can buy. There were new toys so I bought some. I decided to take 2 rings. The rings look so cute. Then I went upstairs to the food court. You can see the play area. DIY keychain. Packaging is so cute. Comes with a lot of things. Comes with a box. Comes with a cute teddy bear keychain. Bags for the keychains. A lot of aesthetic stickers. A little card. Chains. Keychain bases. A marker and then a small tweezer. DIY green blue toy kit. Comes with charms for bracelets, and also stickers. Came with a tweezer too like the other kit. Look at Kiromi. More bags. A string to make bracelets. Hair clip bases. Tips for the cream blue. Then lastly, bright cream blue bottles. Came with stickers. Play toy, one of my favorites. What do you think? Elsa toy. She's really cute and has movable joints.